and open for me, Alyssa. And go ahead and bite down. Okay. Noticing some wear on some of the teeth. Are you aware that you might grind your teeth or clench your teeth?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And how do you know that? Has somebody told you they've heard you, or do you wake up?
My mouth is sore in the morning.
Sore in
My
the
jaw
morning.
is sore in the morning. So.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, and there are different reasons that the person may clench or grind. One very important reason is you may not be getting enough air when you breathe at night, and the body's response to that is to actually clench and grind the teeth, which grind the teeth forward, which brings the tongue forward and can allow you to breathe better, but can be destructive to the teeth and or problematic for the jaw joint, the muscles. Sometimes people have headaches in the morning. Do you ever wake up with a headache?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. And that can be because you're clenching and the muscles spasm, and that can cause headaches. It also can be a headache if you're not breathing well enough and not getting enough oxygen, and that can also contribute to a headache in the morning. So certainly some things that we need to look at, and certainly want to protect the teeth, but we want to do it in a way proper, because sometimes some solutions to protecting the teeth can actually make sleep apnea, not breathing well at night, worse. But that's something we study a lot here and know a lot about. We can certainly help you discern what your concerns are.
Okay.
And possible solutions.
Okay.